Today I have a lot of questions. Yes. If set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, find A intersection B and A minus B. Here in A intersection B, we have to find what are the elements in both set A and B. 4, 5, 4, 5. So answer is 4, 5. And A minus B means that containing in only A, means 1 to 3 is only contained in A. This is the first question. Then second question is, we are going to find sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Then cos 30 is equal to sine 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 and sine 45 are same, and cos 60 is equal to sine 30, and 90 is 0 and 1 for sine 90. And for tan 30 we are finding sine 30 by cos 30, then 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. In similar way we can cut this and we can find 1 by root 3. Here same, so 1, here root 3 only, and here infinite. The second question is, if A is equal to 9 into 8,321 and B is equal to 9 into 7,321, then we are not multiplying each term, but we are taking common from each term and subtracting, so 9,000. Very simple one. Then this question, solve unitary method problem just in one tip. Means here, if RAM can work one work in 5 days, if RAM has to do 1 by half work, then he needs less days. Less days means dividing. Okay, dividing means if this is more, then dividing. If this is less, then multiply. So it will be less, 2.5 days. We have to check. Yes, if RAM needs to do 2 work, then he takes 5 into 2 days, it will do 10 days. Common sense. Yes, just one tip. This will solve you many questions. Then another is, here the tip is find, yes, for math learners, tip 1 and tip 2. Yes, find is where is it equal to. Yes, for example, in question RAM is 6-year-old, means let RAM is equal to 6 and X is equal to 6. Tip number 2 is always make LHS equal to RHS. Always, if X plus 2, if this age is after 2 years, then we have to add X plus 2 and 6 plus 2. If X is equal to 6, then X plus 2 means 6 plus 2 must be done. We cannot keep only 6. That is another tip that will help you in solving problems. Here I have another question. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 0 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. But here we are making diagram, here just 30 degree for this, yes, and here 90, this is hypotenuse. Sine 30 means P by H. P by H, H means this. P, if P is 1, the H must be 2. If P is 2, then H must be 4 to make this equal 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 60 is, here the cos 60 is B by H. If this is P, this is H and this is H. This is B and this is H. So cos 60 means this side is equal to this side, so 1 by 2. So they are equal. Sin 30 and cos 60 are equal in that way. Now the next question is, here we have to multiply 200 into 50. Here First take 2 zeros from here and 1 zeros from here, 3 zeros. Then multiply 2 and 5, 10, put it here, finished. This is if there are total 5 apples and if eating apples are 3 are already ate, then eating ratio is 3/2 and unused ratio, remaining ratio is 1 minus 3/2 is equal to 2/5. This is another question. Here we have next question, which side is greater, 45 square plus 25 square and 45 plus 25 whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means this 45 square and 25 square term is already here and additional term is 245 25 which is not here. So this side is greater. This side is greater. Here suppose 3 students got 6, 7, 8 marks out of 20. Calculate the percentage they obtain. Here we in this type of question always look at the number in which amount you have to find percentages. There 20. In 20 we have to find percentage for 8, 7 and 6 in 20. Means convert this into 100. To convert it into 100 we have to multiply by 5. So in each case just multiply by 5 for this and you will get a percentage. 6 into 5, 7 into 5, 8 into 5, 40. Very easy. Here question is, in a class of 50 students, if first student gets 50 chocolates, second student got 49, third 48, and similarly 4th, 5th, 6th and say 50 grade got one less chocolate. Yes, means first boy get 50, second girl 49, third girl 48 chocolate and last one got 1 chocolate. Then how many chocolate? Yes, this type of question can be solved from this formula, n plus 1 by 2. 50 number of students is 50 for n plus 1 is 51, so divide by 2 you will get this answer. Here sin 30 is equal to p by h, 1 by 2. Yes, you can check with protractor and scale. This is protractor. Yes, protractor. Now the next question is here 1 by 1. This is same in all of the case. In both case 1 is same, but in above case this is increasing and here it is decreasing. Means if this will be less than this, but here this will be very less than this. If numerator number is smaller than denominator, then it will be decreased. If numerator is greater than denominator, it will be increased. Now the next question is, if x% of y is 10, what is y? Here x% means x by 100 into y is as tip number 1. If is, then always put equals 10, then y equals to this, cross multiply and you can get the answer. Here we have question, a jar contains 10 red marbles and 30 green ones. How many red marbles must be added to the jar so that 60% of marbles will be red? 60% will be red. 60 by 100 means 3 by 5. which are, the question is about red. Red means already there are 10, and how many red marbles must be put? 10 plus x, and the total will be 40 plus x. 40 plus x, yes. So the answer is 5 into 10 plus x, and this term into 3. So 3x plus this 30 plus 10, 40 into 3, 120, and 5 into 10 and 5 into x, 5x. And so that here one thing is 10x, 30x, 50 plus 5x. Here should be 5x. Here it must be included 5x, yes. So that 2x equal to 70 and x is equal to 30. Hence now the next question is column A and column B. We have to find which is greater. Benjamin worked from 9:47 am until 11 am, and Jamie worked 9:11 am until 12:47 am. Number of minutes Benjamin worked, number of minutes Jamie worked. Here no need to calculate, just make this line, okay. First of all, Benjamin working from 9:47 am to 12:11 am. This time, only this time, okay. But Jeremy worked from 9:11 to 12:47, more time. So Jeremy is the answer. Now the next question is 99 into 101. 99 means 100 minus 1. Bracket, put bracket, okay, always important. 101 means 100 plus 1. A minus B, A plus B. Means A square minus B square. Same thing. A square of 100 is 140 minus 1, 999. Now the question is, if C is the product of A and B, given is C is equal to A and B, which of the following is the quotient of A and B? Means A by B is which one? For this B square, C means A into B, B by A, not answer. C by B square means C means A into B given, then B square, this is the answer. Then check also as C by B by C square, B by C square means there is square coming, so no answer. C square by B is already A square, so no answer. So this E number is not quotient, so no need to look answer. Only answer is B. Here next question is, what is A divided by A percentage of A? Question is what is, always is look, yes, what equals is A divided by A percent of A, this A percent to remove, A by 100 into A of means multiply, then 1 by A 100, then this one is 1 by 1 and B by A by 100, then convert this into A by B by C by D in this way. Here A by B by C by D is equal to, here we need to write A into D by B into C. So the answer is 100 by A. The next question is, P base is same for all case. If base is same, we can add the power. Then add the power, P power 0 is equal to 1. Finished.